This is Richard Bliss here at Insight 2016 in Berlin. I'm joined by Phil Brotherton. Phil, thank you for joining me for a few minutes.
Yeah, it's great to be here.
So you are the Vice President of Cloud Business Unit, and the cloud certainly is transforming a lot of the business out there. Where are you seeing the announcements and kind of the story coming out of Insight here?
Well, you know, I think NetApp, we've really built a world so that our customers can use the cloud and keep their data on-premise, keep it safe. A lot of this is in our core products, our FAS products, our SolidFire products, and then we're starting to build data fabric services that bridge the whole thing, working with partners like Amazon, like Google, like IBM, like Microsoft. That's sort of how we're attacking. We're trying to make it so our customers can manage their data and then use it wherever they need to use it.
And so when a customer comes into Insight, even a partner or an employee, what kind of things are we talking to them about the data fabric and how they're changing IT role with the cloud?
I mean, really we're talking about how our systems work together. We talk about the data fabric, so that's how our systems stitch together and how we build services that help integrate the systems both on-premise and with big public clouds and software as a service clouds. So again, making the data available wherever the customer needs it. That's what we're trying to do.
Now that brings up an interesting point, because some channel partners would believe that with the cloud it's going to replace their need to even be part of that customer experience.
Yeah, I think that's exactly wrong. Actually the channel partner is sort of the hub for most customers because they're the ones that understand the whole system. They can advise them on what stays on-prem, what goes off-prem. Some of them are becoming service providers themselves. The importance, especially in Europe, of like privacy and compliance of different countries makes the service provider role, I think, even more important in a cloud world than it is in the old world, if you will.
So somebody attending Insight, they're here, they're going to hear our cloud story, our data fabric story. What are some of the key takeaways they're going to have as they come out of these sessions?
You know, to me, like the cloud is a customer-driven phenomenon. It makes things more sort of retail or consumer-oriented. So to bring all the customers together with our technologists, together with partners, the Cisco and Fujitsu's, and bringing everybody in one place as we all figure out how to build these hybrid clouds, that's the real power of Insight.
Phil, thank you very much for taking a few minutes with us.
It's great to be here. Thanks.
This is Richard Bliss here at Insight 2016 in Berlin.